The Infinix Hot 60 series is set to make waves in the budget smartphone market with a solid combination of performance, style, and affordability. Expected to launch around September 2025, the series will likely include models such as the Hot 60 5G and Hot 60 Pro Plus 5G. The base model is rumored to feature a large 6.74-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensuring capable multitasking and decent performance for daily tasks. The camera system is expected to include a 50MP primary lens and a secondary depth sensor, offering respectable photo quality for the price point. A 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging keeps the device powered throughout the day. The Hot 60 Pro Plus 5G variant may bring further upgrades, possibly in RAM, storage, or camera capabilities, targeting users who want a bit more power without stepping into flagship territory. With its sleek design, modern features, and likely aggressive pricing, the Infinix Hot 60 series is shaping up to be a strong contender in the entry-level to mid-range segment.